to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear JoJo. Happy birthday to you.
Can you blow?
You blow it out?
Blow.
Woo!
What is that? Everybody's taking all these pictures of me.
Is that good?
JoJo. It's gonna be good.
You have no idea what's about to
You can dig into that bad boy.
Hey.
JoJo, smash it up.
There we go.
So good. Yum.
I think you should smash up on mommy or daddy's face.
Hey now.
Great idea.
I know
Did
Joe
Katie
would
make
be
good
more than
cake?
willing to help you do that.
Right there.
Hit the cake.
Get it right there.
You're silly.
Take a handful, grab it.
She will, I think. Give her a minute.
She's so
She's
dainty.
gonna lick the icing.
Yeah.
Okay. She's gonna do it.
It's good stuff. There you go. Oh, that's a big one.
Sugar.
No.
Sugar rush.
We should have done this at 3. Oh, there you go. You haven't even tried the cake. Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it yummy? Okay, we could be here for a while.
I don't know like facial response, but she keeps going for it.
Thank you. Is it delicious?
Just hit it.
You should pick it up. Pick it up.
JoJo, 2 hands.
Smash it up.
2 hands.
Like, this frosting is delicious.
You're not going to have any cake. It's going to be all
I
the
know.
frosting.
That's okay. So there's 3 kinds of cupcakes over there. It's vanilla with blueberry frosting. It's lemon with blueberry filling and buttercream frosting. And then it's chocolate with caramel frosting and caramel filling and chocolate frosting. So
You raised the bar for
eat up.
birthday party.
Dessert.
cakes and whatnot. Yeah, like chocolate
And then this
vanilla.
is vanilla with buttercream. So we have plenty of sweets. Okay, JoJo.
We gotta
Are you doing this